Part 1 is the clockwise version. Part 2 is the anti-clockwise version. So it goes like this. So you start out overhand on this side. Now, we could just try it with both hands and see what happens. But let's do it let's start from stillness. Remember the metaphor about dragging your hands through the dirt. Pull behind your hip, pivot, turn, and toss the dirt to the right. And then thumbs up, let it come up, rest on your shoulder, and then pivot, turn, throw, come out and overhand here. And then pull it back behind your hip, come out underhand on the right, and then come up and hit the shoulder, and then pivot, turn, and throw. Yes. And then low sweep behind your butt. And now this time, right before it hits your back, pivot, turn, throw, come out and overhand. It looks like your counterclockwise is more comfortable than clockwise. That is exactly what I expected, because your clockwise version uses the weakest, so of the 4 waist-high transitions, your left hand and overhand is the weakest one, which is what we started with. So then, of course, in the realm of the drill sandwich, you would do clockwise, counterclockwise, clockwise, because your clockwise one's the weaker one, right? So you'd be drilling your clockwise first, and then your counterclockwise, and then your clockwise, right? Okay, so doing the other side made that side better, which happens also, which is great.